Hey guys, what's up? Assalamu alaikum, namaskar, sasriyakal, wanakam, and a very warm welcome to everybody. This is Mubin, and you're watching SMS Technical. In this video, I've got the Redmi Note 9 Pro, and we'll check the box contents and the specifications of this device. But before we do that, let us announce the winner of our previous challenge, and the winner is Abhinav. Abhinav has done a great job and our comment section was flooded with his name. So he's the clear winner and he'll be getting the Amazon voucher of 500 INR from SMS Technical. So without further ado, let's get started with this video of Note 9 Pro. So this is the Amazon package and this Amazon package contains our Redmi Note 9 Pro. We have got the package on time and in a perfect condition, that is not damaged at all. So kudos to Amazon again. Now to tell you the fact, this package was ordered with the option of a gift wrap. So the Amazon gift wrap looks something like this when we order a phone from it. And the reason to order a gift wrap is that this is a small gesture of love towards my wife. This is a gift to my wife, so I hope she'll be enjoying or she'll like this gift from me, and I'll give this back to her. She'll unwrap it, and after that we'll start the unboxing of this video and we'll check the contents and we'll proceed with the video. So this is the Redmi Note 9 Pro. On the box we can see that it mentions proudly that it is India's #1 selling smartphone brand. Now this is the product that is the made in India product, and it is the Interstellar Black version and 4GB and 128GB version. It has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor, and it has a 6.67-inch Full HD display with Gorilla Glass protection at the front and the back panel as well. It has 48 megapixel AI quad camera and 5020 milliampere hour battery. Okay, now let's get this product out of this box. So let's get this phone out of this box. Okay, so in this box we have the little box, and this box will definitely have the SIM ejector tool, and then it will have the manual, that is the user guide, and it will also give us the silicone case. So here is our phone, that is the Redmi Note 9 Pro, and this one is the Interstellar Black version, and as you can see that it has a glossy finish at the rear, that is the back panel, and the front is a pretty decent and sleek looking front panel, a great display that you can see here. And we have the charging. And this will also mention made in India. And the cable that we get would be the Type-C cable. So talking about the phone, we see that it is a quad camera device. That is, it has 4 cameras on the rear part of it and 1 flash in addition to the cameras. On the right side we have the volume rocker and the power button. This power button also serves as a fingerprint scanner, and on the front part, that is on the display, we have the 16 megapixel selfie camera, and on top of it we have the speaker or the speaker grill for our calls. At the bottom we see the 3.5 jack for your earphones or headphones, the charging port, the charging connector, the primary mic, and the speaker for your media. On the top we see there is a secondary microphone, and we have one IR blaster. This IR blaster can be used to control your appliances remotely. And on the left part we see it has the SIM tray, and this is a triple SIM tray. We can use two SIM cards and one memory card. That is, it is a dual 4G phone. Now let's start with the first boot of our Redmi Note 9 Pro. Okay. So we'll just untick all the possible things and we'll try to get this started. So you can choose your own settings. I'm just disabling everything before I start. You can enable it later on. We'll just choose the classic version. You can choose the limitless and this classic. And it would be on our user choice. We'll go with the classic, and now it's time to rock. A point here to be noted is that as this is a 128 gigs device, it will take a decent amount of time to load up on the first boot. The same thing happened with our Redmi Note 8 Pro as well. Now we can see that we have one more device, that is WD My Passport, that is an external hard disk. We'll be unboxing it in a later video. And for the previous videos, we also have our Piton base buds, so you can check that out as well. Now this is the first boot of our Redmi Note 9 Pro. We have already seen the physical specifications, and at the boot up you can see it has around 65 to 67% of battery left on the device. The physical details are clear. Now we'll get into the technical or the software details of this device. Okay, so when we go into the about phone, we can check that this is the 128 gigs, and out of the 128, around 20 GB is used by the system for internal files and folders and settings. It has MIUI 12.0.1 global version, and in all specs we can check that this is the Note 9 Pro model with 4 GB of RAM, and it has the octa-core processor with a maximum speed of 2.32 gigahertz. It has the Android security patch, that is the latest one, but that is the last quarter of 2020. And the other settings are the normal settings that every user knows. So that's it about the phone. Now we'll check the camera. We'll surely make another video for checking the camera quality. We'll add slow motion video, normal videos and photos, and we'll also have the comparison between the Note 9 Pro and the Note 8 Pro, so that you all can decide which one has a better camera and which one to buy. Okay, so we'll be adding this picture that we have taken now in the camera review video. Okay, so now talking about the YouTube channel, I'd be requesting all my subscribers, all my viewers to please like the video, share it with your friends. Also, please make sure you send your comments, you write down your comments as your feedback so that we can improve a lot. Okay, so that's it for today. See you all in the next video.